Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe, staying inside, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be attempting to make the trendy quarantine coffee. To be honest, the first time I saw this circulate the internet, I thought people were just scooping peanut butter on top of milk, but it turns out that's not the case. So, let's make some whipped coffee. And then you need a revolting amount of sugar. 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm an idiot, and I just realized that I'm supposed to mix these in a bowl first, and then put them on top of my clear cup. So I'm just gonna transfer this onto a bowl. And last step, I'm just gonna pour in 2 tablespoons of hot, warm water. I don't know. So I have my coffee, and I just found this part of an electric blender. I can't find the actual blender thing, but now I'm just gonna whisk it for the biscuit. I see why they call it quarantine coffee, because you need a lot of time on your hands to do this. Guys, good news. I found the hand blender that this was a part of. I hope this doesn't go everywhere. Oh shit. Okay, that did something. The texture is getting better, I think. Also, I'm taking mega risks right now. Like, look at how close to the edge this is. 8 hours later. Okay, I'm back. I have my iced milk. I have my coffee. Moment of truth. Mine is definitely not as satisfying as the other ones out there. But hey, it's coffee. Look at that. Yeah. So as I was about to try this, my camera decided to die. But anyway, here it is. It looks nice. Does it look fantastic? Does it look, ideal? No. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's completely liquid now. I probably should have tried it before I did that. Stay safe out there. This is gross. See you guys next time. I'll be over here drinking this? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, bye.